Hey everyone, my name's Lisa and welcome back to my channel. Just a little message before my video starts. This is my first presidential election and what a crazy one that is. I just wanted to remind everyone that if you can vote, please vote. It is extremely important to use your voice. We have, the amazing privilege and right to be able to vote and make our voices heard. And I just really think that it's important to kind of do our duty to this country and vote. So I will be doing that. I will be doing it as safely as I can during a pandemic. And I hope you all, whoever sees this, if you can vote, please vote. This is extremely important. So yeah, I decided to make my first election special and made some sugar cookies to enjoy after voting. So yeah, I made some plain sugar cookies with royal icing. The full video will be up in time for Christmas. These are the same cookies that I usually make around Christmas time, but I wanted to make these a little bit more festive to do with the election and stuff. So yeah, if you guys liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.